Have you ever poured your heart and soul into writing, only to find yourself wrestling with formatting, struggling to get your masterpiece to look professional, and ultimately losing precious time that you could have spent actually writing? If you're a writer, publisher, or even an aspiring author, you know the pain. You've probably battled with Word documents, fiddled with endless settings, and maybe even considered giving up on the dream of a beautifully formatted book. But what if I told you there's a tool that can take the headache out of formatting, streamline your workflow, and help you produce stunning, print-ready books and ebooks with surprising ease? A tool that, for many authors, has become an indispensable part of their writing journey? I'm talking about Atticus, and today we're diving deep into one of its most crucial aspects: how to save your work in Atticus. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of saving, let's set the stage a little. Why is Atticus such a game changer? Imagine you've finished your manuscript. The words are perfect, the story flows, and you're ready to share it with the world. But then comes the dreaded formatting. You need a table of contents, proper chapter breaks, page numbers, consistent fonts, and layouts that look good on both e-readers and in print. This is where most writers hit a wall. Traditional word processors, while powerful, aren't designed with book formatting in mind. They require a steep learning curve to achieve professional results, often leading to frustration and wasted hours. Atticus, on the other hand, is built specifically for authors and publishers. It's a book writing and formatting software that simplifies the entire process. From writing your manuscript directly within the platform to effortlessly creating beautiful print books and ebooks, Atticus aims to be an all-in-one solution. Its intuitive interface and powerful features allow you to focus on your content, while it handles the complex formatting details. Think of it as your personal book designer, ensuring your work looks polished and professional without you needing to be a design expert. So, you've embraced Atticus, you're writing your magnum opus, and you're starting to see the magic unfold. You've added your chapters, styled your headings, and maybe even played around with some of the gorgeous pre-designed templates. But then the inevitable question pops up: how do I make sure all this hard work is safe? How do I save in Atticus? This is where things get really interesting, because Atticus takes a multi-layered approach to saving, ensuring your progress is always protected. Unlike traditional software where you might constantly be hitting Ctrl+S or Command+S, Atticus employs a sophisticated autosave mechanism that works silently in the background. First and foremost, Atticus boasts an incredibly robust autosave feature. This isn't just a periodic save every few minutes. Atticus is designed to save your changes almost instantaneously as you type. Every keystroke, every formatting adjustment, every new chapter you add is being saved to the cloud in real time. This means you can breathe easy knowing that even if your computer crashes, your internet connection drops, or a sudden power outage occurs, your work is safe and sound. It's a huge relief for writers who have experienced the heartbreak of losing hours of work due to a forgotten save. This continuous autosave is a cornerstone of Atticus's reliability and a major reason why authors trust it with their literary creations. But what if you want to be extra careful, or you're working offline, or you want a local backup just for peace of mind? Atticus has you covered there too. While the primary saving mechanism is the continuous autosave to the cloud, Atticus also provides ways for you to manually save your project to your local computer. This is incredibly useful for creating backups, moving your project between different computers, or working in environments where you might not have a consistent internet connection. To manually save a project, you'll typically navigate to the File menu within Atticus. There, you'll usually find an option like Export Project or Save Project As. When you select this, Atticus will prompt you to choose a location on your computer where you want to save the project file. This file will contain all your content, formatting, and settings for that specific book. Think of it as a snapshot of your entire Atticus project at that moment in time. It's a good practice to manually save a local copy periodically, especially after significant writing sessions or major formatting changes. This gives you an extra layer of security and control over your work. Another important aspect of saving in Atticus involves exporting your final book. While saving your project keeps your editable Atticus file safe, exporting is what you do when you're ready to share your book with the world. Atticus allows you to export your book in various formats, including EPUB, This is the standard format for most ebooks and is compatible with a wide range of e-readers like Kindle, Nook, and Kobo. Mobi. While EPUB is becoming more universal, Mobi was historically the preferred format for older Kindle devices. Atticus still offers this for wider compatibility. Print-ready PDF. This is crucial for paperback and hardcover editions. Atticus generates a professional PDF file that meets the specifications of most print-on-demand services like KDP Print, Ingram Spark, and others. This PDF will include all your chosen fonts, layouts, page numbers, and front/back matter, ensuring your printed book looks exactly as you intended. When you export your book, Atticus essentially compiles all your content and formatting into a finished product in the chosen format. This isn't a save in the traditional sense of saving your working file, but rather creating a deployable version of your book. The export process is generally straightforward. You select the desired format, Atticus processes your book, and then you can download the ready-to-publish file to your computer. The beauty of Atticus's saving and export system lies in its redundancy and flexibility. The constant autosave means you almost never have to worry about losing progress due to unforeseen circumstances. The option for local project saves gives you manual control and backup capabilities. And the robust export features ensure that when you're ready to publish, your book is perfectly formatted for any platform. It's also worth noting that because Atticus is largely cloud-based, your projects are accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This means you can seamlessly switch between different devices, write on your desktop at home, then pick up where you left off on your laptop at a coffee shop. Your work is always synchronized across your devices, thanks to that intelligent autosave feature. This level of accessibility is a huge benefit for busy authors who might write in various locations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.